If your rhubarb is like this or is even further along, we've only got a limited time to use up what's left in the freezer from last year. We better get going. Today I'm using frozen rhubarb to make rhubarb barbecue sauce. Don't have frozen rhubarb? Use fresh rhubarb. Don't have rhubarb at all? Use whatever fruit you have that needs to be used up. It doesn't have to be pretty because it's gonna get cooked down with tons of spices and lots of flavor. All of this may look a little intimidating, like there's lots of ingredients, but they're likely things that you have in your pantry. Let's do it. This barbecue sauce has been simmering away for 30 to 40 minutes. It's beautiful, thick, and here's where you get to make lots of choices. Do you want it sweeter? Do you want it more acidic? Do you want it saltier? Do you want to add a little bit of smoke flavor? So a little bit of smoked paprika, chipotle, liquid smoke, whatever you prefer. Do you like it textured like this? Or do you want to use an immersion blender and get it super smooth? And there you have beautiful, delicious, fruit-based barbecue sauce.